Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you a new method with which you can use Claude Code and Claude Cowork without any limit. So let's start. So first we will go to this Chrome and here I'll search for OmniRoute. Go to this GitHub repo. If I go down, OmniRoute, the free AI gateway. It provides 290 providers and which 90 plus is free. It provides this many tokens per month. You can see here it provides up to 2.15 billion tokens for the first month, and it provides Claude Sonnet and Claude Opus as well. Now if I go down, I'll click on this quick start. So it will take us to quick start. To install this repo, we need Python as well as Node.js to be installed on your system. So I'll copy this first command, npm install -g OmniRoute. npm is a package manager that comes together with Node.js. So I'll come here and type cmd here and I'll paste that command here. Hit enter. Now it is installing, so it will take some time, so we will wait. So now you can see the installation is complete. So I'll go again to GitHub repo and now I'll copy this command. Control C this and I'll paste it here and hit enter. Now it will start OmniRoute and open its dashboard and the browser. As you can see, it has opened this dashboard, so you can log in with this change me password. So I'll copy this from here and paste it here. Now continue, and now we are logged in to OmniRoute dashboard. You can see here OmniRoute. You can use all these different agents with OmniRoutes. Today I will show you how to use Claude Desktop with it. So this is the endpoint. We will use this URL and this should be running, as well as this Cloud OmniRoute should be active. Now here is the providers. Here we have the free tier. So we will use this one, this free tier one, and then we will create a combo. So first we will go to this providers and here we will set up some free tier provider. So I'll click on this free tier and I'll go here. I'll click on this ad. I'll type here free and I will import free models. And if I click save, so now you can see two models imported. So this will not work for all of them. Some wants API keys, so you have to provide API keys for that. Now if you can be set up with this method, so I'll show you that. Now I'll select the free tier again, and now if I come down here and search for Ulama Cloud, add connection, and if I use here free add, and if I click on save, so now you can see add models imported. Now I can again go to providers, free tier, I'll go to integrity, add connection. So it will ask you to continue with your Google account. So continue with your Google account, sign in, copy this, click on this enter URL manually and paste the URL we have copied here. And click on connect, and it will connect integrity. We need integrity because it has Claude Opus and Claude Sonnet. Now you can add all these free tiers, but some of these need API keys, so you have to provide the API keys. Now we have added enough models, so we will create a combo. So for that I will come to these combos, create here. I will name this Claude Code. I'll go down and click next and browse legacy combo catalog. As you can see, you can select all these models. Select them all one by one. Done. Now click next. So here for context length, I will use 1 million. Now as you can see here, strategy is priority. By priority, it means that it will select the models when one model limit is ended. So it will select the next model below it. But I'll come again to the strategy and we will use round robin. So it will select the easily available model. And now I'll create the combo. So now the combo is created. So now our setup and OmniRoute is complete. So now we will go to Claude Desktop. So I'll search here Claude. I have already installed it. How can you install it? You can go to browser and search for Claude Desktop. Hit enter. Go to this first link and you can click on this download button and it will start downloading Claude Desktop, and the installation is pretty simple. Next and it will install. I'll go again here. Now when you first launch Claude, so it will show you interface like this. So I'll come here to this menu and this developer is showing for me, but it will be missing for you. So you have to come to this help troubleshooting, and here you will have an option enable developer mode. So select that and enable developer mode. Now if I go to this developer, so here configure third party inferences So click on this. Now here we will provide our base URL. So for that I will come to this OmniRoute and I will come to this endpoint and I will copy this URL. I'll paste it here. Then we need the gateway API key. So for that I will come to this API key. I have already these two API keys, but I will generate a new one. Claude Code, I'll name this and I'll create API key. I'll copy this API key and I'll come here and I'll paste it here. Make sure that here XAPI key is selected and here static API key is selected. Select this button, test model discovery, and it will show you the models as you can see here. Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus 4.6 Thinking, Claude Code, and Claude Sonnet 5, and 23 more. So I'll apply changes, save and restart. And now you can see that our Claude Desktop is restarted and you can use Cowork as well as Claude Code. So I'll come here to this Cowork. And first we will check if it is working. So if I send it a hi, so now you can see it is telling me, hi HP, how can I help you today? So I'll ask it a hello world program in Java, hit enter. So now you can see it has written me this hello world program. So now you can use Claude Cowork and Claude Code unlimited with this setup. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.